Hi, uh, today we're going to look at another AMC10 problem. This is problem 23 from 2017 AMC10A. Okay, this is a counting problem. How many triangles with positive area have all their vertices at points ij in the coordinate plane where I and j are integer between 1 and 5 inclusive? Okay, so we're gonna draw this one. So let's see, this is grid. So we can have, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So go up, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The question is, we're gonna, on this grid, we're gonna find the vertices, right? So we have a few vertices. Here we have these, these. We have 5 in a row. We have another 5, total 5 rows. You can imagine there are total 25 vertices in this graph, right? So the question is, how many of these vertices can form a triangle with a non-zero positive area, right? Okay, so that will be the question. Okay, how to find it? Yeah, so to make a triangle, we need to pick 3 points, 3 vertices, right? 3 vertices, triangle has 3 vertices. So a simple way, we just, because we have 25 points, we can pick about 3 to let make a triangle, right? So this is pretty simple. That will be 25 times 24 times 23 over 3 times 2 times 1. So you simplify this is 2300. All right, so now actually we need to realize, so not all 3 points form triangles. For example, if you look at the 3 points in this row, these 3 points don't form a triangle. So we need to take out this situation. If 3 points line up in a line, so these are we call collinear. We need to take out. So how many collinear 3 points combination we need to find out, right? So let's see. We already see if we look at this, the first row, we have 5 vertices. So out of these 5 can form several points, group of 3, that won't form a triangles. We need to look at this one. How many of these situations? Each row, right? So that's each row we have 5 points. We're gonna choose 3. Any of these one won't make triangles, right? So there, these actually equal to 10, right? So, but you can see we have the first row here. We have 1 row, 2 row. We have all 5 rows. Not just 5 rows. We also have column. That same situation. We have 5 column. Do we have more? Yes. We have this diagonal. Also have 5. We have this diagonal. We have 2 diagonal, 5 rows, and 5 columns. So total we have 12 of them have a linear 5 points. Out of each of the 5 points, we're gonna form. There's gonna be 10 of these ways not gonna form the triangles. So total, you can see, find out this is gonna be 12 times 10, 120. So yeah, we need to take out this 120 from 2300, right? Okay, so beyond that, actually we can look closely. There's more diagonal. So let's say this is a diagonal. There are actually 4 points on this diagonal. So beside that, we have this diagonal have 4. Okay, so change a direction. So we say this has a 4. So this has a 4. Yes, we have 4 lines with 4 points, right? So these also need to take out. So these 4 lines, each one, we have 4 choose 3 ways to pick 3 points. So these also need to take out. That's actually 4 times 4 is 16, right? More? Yes, right? So we can see these 3 points. So these three, I'm going to draw here, these 3 points in a line. So these 3 points on the line, these 3 points, and these 3 points, right? So we have 4 of 3 points form a line. So we can look at this situation. We have 4, that's just each one has one group of 3, that total 4 ways, right? Okay, so that's it. Is that all? All right, yes, we do have more here. So let's see this one. So I'll give you an example here. So you can see from here, it goes through this point, goes through this point. This is a straight line. Along this straight line, we have the 3 points. If we pick out 3, these 3 won't make a triangle. Now the question is how many such this situation? Right, let's graph it out. So this one, so we can see shift 1 step. We have 1 more here. We have 1 more here. Right, so I'm going to change another color. Say maybe you can see here. So I'm going to have another here, another here, and another here. Is that all? No. So let's see, we can look at the other way. So for example, we can look at here. This one goes to this diagonal. So this goes to this diagonal. And this goes to this diagonal. And we do the same this side as well. So this go this, right? So then I just see there's 4 ways, each way has 3. So basically we have 12 ways. So these also, they are gonna 12 cases won't form the triangles. Now we can look at all together. So total will be 2300. So subtract 120, subtract 16, subtract 4, subtract 12. So that will be our answer. Okay, so let's find out. So there's a 221. Oh, sorry, not 21. This is let's combine this negative part. So this is negative part. So maybe that will be easier. So that's actually is 120. This is 20, 140, 140 plus negative. That's going to be 100, 150, 152. So 2300 minus 152, 2300, 152. Answer is 8, 4. This is 2148. So go back to here. So you can see here, B is the correct answer.